What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. Just got done doing the service on this 250 show Yamaha on this older Hughes. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance on this gauge here. This is the older tack. See, it comes up, you just hit mode, it goes away. And I usually do is I put it on this screen, I hit hold mode. Maintenance, hit select, and then you hold down these two buttons like that. There you go. And if you want to check, you hit select again, 0, you're good to go. So cycle the key off, turn it back on. And no message come up. That's the hours. I'm gonna take a picture of that. So I have that, and I'll put that on the invoice. But there you go. That's how you do it. Woo! Sounds good. Yep.